Tornadoes. I like rhymes that are light and fun, though some of mine hit like a ton of twisted debris upside one's head, but none like this one filled with dread. To provoke thought is the intent of these, to move some folks from their life of ease, but not with the impact or evil sounds of tornadoes that erase entire towns. I awoke to hear such devastating news that pains us each, no matter what our views, and forces the reminder upon us all that our daily huge issues are just so small. Hard to consider the terror they felt as tucked in closets under tables they knelt, praying to just survive this horrible thing that only the natural world can bring. We live our lives subject to such fate, knowing that could be us at any day. It reminds us of our own mortality, to see others end with such finality. So pray, contribute to these victims tragic, not that it will work unfathomable magic and quickly restore their lost neighborhood, but that they might know the world has some good.